In today's quiz, you have 25 questions to attempt. Note that you have exactly 10 seconds to answer each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is the plural form of mouse? Which word is an adjective in this sentence? She has a beautiful cat. What is the correct past participle of begin? Which conjunction best completes the sentence? I wanted to go out - it was raining. What type of word is quickly in the sentence? She quickly ran to the store. Choose the correct form of the verb. I - never seen that movie before. Which pronoun best replaces the students in this sentence? The students finished their work and they left. What is the superlative form of sad? Identify the correct usage of it's or it's - raining outside. Which sentence is in the passive voice? What is the comparative form of far? Which word correctly completes the sentence? I can't hear you. Could you speak - Which is a subordinating conjunction? What is the infinitive form of was? Which verb form is used in the following sentence? She is singing. Identify the demonstrative pronoun in the sentence. That is not mine. What is the past tense of bring? Choose the correct possessive form. - book is on the table. Which sentence correctly uses whom? Identify the preposition in the sentence. She sat under the tree. Which is the correct plural form of thesis? Choose the verb that completes the sentence. Everyone invited to the party. What is the gerund in the sentence? Running is fun. Which sentence uses a modal verb? Identify the interjection in the sentence. Wow, that was amazing. Finish the quiz. Awesome! Drop your score out of 25 in the comments below to see how you did compared to others. Let's see who are the grammar champions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Thank you.